Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and today we are going to talk about a project called Carnelian 12, C12, and we are going to make a scam check. First of all guys, if you've been subscribed to this channel for a long time, you know we're looking for a KYC. Has the contract been audited? Do they show the faces? Is there a white paper? And so on. So first of all guys, let me show you what are they claiming. What are they claiming? Okay, you can earn 12% daily for 12 business days. How? No idea, because there is no white paper, nothing at all where they would mention what they're doing in detail. Yeah. So first red flag. Second red flag. They don't even show their contract address. Yeah. And if they don't even show their contract address, of course, there hasn't been done any audit, yeah, for the contract. So second red flag. Then, has the team been KYC'd? No, they don't even show their faces. There's no section about the team. Nothing at all. Third red flag. So just red flags, okay? No audited contract, no KYC, no white paper, not even a white paper, guys. It's really easy to make a white paper. Just write a couple of pages, explain in detail what you're doing. But yes, guys, this is, in my opinion, the next scam project. Yes, as always, guys, yeah, do your own research before you invest your own money. I'm just here to show you those projects and my opinion, and to tell you that you should really look out for those scam projects, not to get scammed. Okay, so always be careful. And this project, guys, if you ask me, it just consists of red flags. Yeah. They will one day suddenly disappear. Let's say in 5 hours, or maybe in 5 days, or maybe in 2 days. If you give them money, they will suddenly just disappear, guys. That's my opinion. So yeah, watch out. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.